Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to learn about sexual reproduction in plants. Last time we have seen about flowers. It is the green season. Flowers are blooming on the trees. Flowers are the most beautiful part of the plant. Flowers are the reproductive part of the plant. See, it has stamens and carpel. Some flowers contain both male and female reproductive part. Such flowers are called bisexual flowers. Example: P. China rose. And some flower possesses either the male or female. They are called unisexual flowers. Example: corn and cucumber. The male part stamen and female part carpel. The male part stamen, it contains anther and filament. The anther contains pollen grains. The pollen grain contain male gametes. Carpel, it contains stigma, style and basal portion ovary. The ovary contains ovule, the female gamete. Now, process of self-reproduction in plants. Male and female, while they are fusing, it is going to form zygote. Now, pollination. How pollen grains are transferred from one flower to another flower. That is called pollination. It is two types, self and cross pollination. See, pollen grains are transferring to the stigma of the same flower, that is called self. In cross, stamens are the pollen grains are transferred to the stigma of the another flower of the same species, that is called cross pollination. These are all the agents of pollination: wind, water, animal. Now, pollen grains are transferred to the stigma. Now, tube grows from the pollen grains. This tube travels through the style and reaches to the ovule, female gamete, and fuse with the ovary. When the male and female fuse together to form a zygote, this is called fertilization. The zygote found after the fertilization, it divides several times to form embryo inside the ovule. The ovule develops into a tough coat, changes to the seed coat. The ovary, on the other hand, starts ripen the fruit around the seed. Now, on other hand of the flower, sepals petal starts to fall off. So, the seed present inside the fruit is embryo, which attaches a baby plant. Each time when we plant a seed, water the plant, it starts to grow into a new seedlings. Assalamu alaikum. Now, today's homework for you. So, you have learned what is pollination, what are the two types of pollination, what is fertilization. Now, today's homework. You are going to write what is pollination, what is meant by self-pollination, what is cross-pollination, along with the example. Jazakallahu khair, girls.